Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about an analyst that made a downgrade on Lordstown Motors to a price of $2. An analyst from Morgan Stanley. I think that this article serves the purpose of trying to put as much pressure on Lordstown Motor stock as possible, causing it to sell off and maybe potentially going as low as $2. But in this article, they're basically making an assumption that the Lordstown electric pickup truck is not commercially viable. If that is true, if the Lordstown pickup truck is not commercially viable and they can't sell it, or they can't sell it to commercial fleets, yeah, the stock will sell off to even worse than $2. I think the stock will go down all the way down to $1. That's what I think would happen. But right now it is a little upsetting because Lordstown did come out and say that in the start of October, they would go into limited production and with deliveries in the first half of 2022. And we got report that saying that they're doing limited production for testing and not for sale, which is very concerning. So showing that, hey, what's going on? What you guys said that you guys would do some production to sell it to customers, and now you're saying you can't, and now you're saying that you still need to be validated. So that is a little concerning. Hopefully we hear some kind of news from the CEO and the company when the earnings time comes, because I think that's the best time to get clear information from the company about production, because we definitely know there's going to be a lot of questions asked when that time comes. But for the short term, we'll see what happens. It could go down to like $3-4 or $2, but my take: the company has zero debt. They have currently, with that $50 million, they have currently $290 million on the balance sheet. Every day they operate, they are burning money. So by the time next earnings report comes, we could see potentially $150 million in cash when they sell. And right now they're currently in talks and negotiation with Foxconn for that $230 million additional dollars once they sell the facility. So we'll see what happens, but it's not a good sign. Yeah, like every day they're burning money. But if they can get their production up and running, if they can start generating revenues, if they can push out profitability, the upside is insanely high. But that's if everything works out. So we'll see. Right now, yes, I am currently now a bag holder. I could sell, and I could gamble that the stock price will go down lower, or I can just wait for a lower price and then start buying it, dollar cost averaging in, because I still believe in the company. We'll see what happens moving forward. It's not nice to see the stock price like this, but I predicted that short term this thing will hit $5, and here we are, $5.22. I think it's gonna go lower than this. I think we're gonna see it go to like 4 something, maybe 4.50, but $2. If we get like bad news from Lordstown, yeah, $2 is a huge possibility. Just saying. Also, huge opportunity for risk versus reward at $2. Just my opinion only. We'll see what happens. So Lordstown came out with a video today regarding the Lordstown truck. As we can see, there is a truck, like the employees ride and drive. So we took our few endurance trucks for our employees to ride and drive the vehicle. We are working on every single day here at Lordstown, Ohio. Ride with Lordstown, hashtag work for it. So we'll see what happens moving forward and play the video to show you guys. I mean, kind of not a high quality video, but it shows that the truck is working and people are driving it and it's not being pushed down a hill. Hashtag Nikola Motors, which is a $4 billion market cap company right now. Just saying, just pointing out a few things. But as you can see, the truck seems pretty fast. Like, this person is a seller. Like, if you just look from the background, this person seems to be accelerating pretty quick. So yeah. Doing donuts with it. You guys can listen to the audio for yourself, but I just kind of wanted to kill off a little bit of time with that. But anyways, that's all I really have to say in this video. I still think that down here is a fantastic opportunity. I mean, it could go down to $2. So just be careful. Stocks are dangerous. As long as there's people out there that are bearish and saying that the stock go down, there's a possibility it will go down. Stocks are worth as much as short sellers are willing to short. So, and people are willing to sell. So people keep selling and people keep shorting. It can go down to $2. That's just how the markets work. So we'll see ultimately at the end of the day, but it is a real business. It's just struggling right now with getting production up, and a lot of bears out there right now. And the stock chart looks like it's starting a new downtrend right now. So totally doing a downtrend. Look at that. It's broken the Bollinger Band. It's totally downtrending right now, so we'll see where it settles. But I still think that down here is way better than buying it up here, which I was an idiot. I mean, I was excited for the Foxconn news, and not investors, bears are finding a way to turn that Foxconn deal into something that's bearish and pushing the stock price down. But it is what it is, and that's the reality of it, and it's creating fantastic prices, though, in my opinion. So I wish I just sold everything and then rebought all the way back down here. Would have been pretty, even further down. We'll see what happens. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want, and have a great day. Bye.